please, for the love of God, stop doing your rotator cuff exercises like this. Here's the reason why. The muscles that you're actually trying to target, which is the posterior rotator cuff, live on this shoulder blade right here, okay? And the direction, that main external rotation motion that you're doing here, the muscles that cause that motion, the main area they live is right on the back of the shoulder blade, and they actually run in this direction, which is horizontal, right? My fingers are the fibers here. And when I'm utilizing that motion, of course, I'm using those muscles to kind of move in internal, external rotation. But why the hell are you holding this weight when the way a dumbbell works is gravity pulls it straight down? So if I'm holding it here, the weight is pulling straight down, there's no resistance laterally, which is what will actually target and challenge these muscles, okay? So if I'm doing external rotation like this, I'm basically just doing an isometric for my brachialis and my brachioradialis muscle rather than actually targeting the posterior cuff. Now, how do we change it to make sure we target this? One way is, instead of using a dumbbell, grab a band. And if the band, if my buddy here is going external rotation this way, if the band is pulling him in towards his stomach, now I'm actually resisting the ability for that muscle to actually move and contract, right? So the band would be pulling him in this way as he goes in this direction. So that's one way. Two is just change the direction you're moving the dumbbell, right? You can always jump on a bench, put your elbow on your knee, and go in this direction. Now your external rotation is actually limited by gravity. And if you put the weight on here, it's limited by more because the weight reacts to gravity, okay? This is a very basic concept, but I see it done incorrectly in the gym all the time. Now, if you're doing it, don't be ashamed. It goes around. There's a lot of people you see doing it. Even some of the biggest lifters in the world are doing warm-ups like this, and sometimes you may be caught and sometimes you end up doing it incorrectly. But now you know how to do it right. Target those cuff muscles a little bit better. Your warm-up will get 100 times better, and the shoulders will feel nice and juicy.